With just days until Thanksgiving, this Arlington family says they wanted to share their message before you decide to gather with people later this week.
And whenever she went to the hospital, it was devastating to all of us. We felt guilty for exposing her to the virus.
The coronavirus pandemic has proven one get-together, even if it's just close family, can immediately change lives.
When we took my mom to the hospital, our hearts broke. We feel guilty for gathering.
The Aragonez family in Arlington are no strangers to spending time together. Earlier this month, 12 of them gathered to celebrate a birthday.
We don't go to restaurants. We don't really party. We all go to work and come home. And we thought that, just staying in our close nuclear cell of folks was going to keep us safe. But unfortunately, that is not the case.
Alexa Aragonez dropped off her 57-year-old mother at her cousin's house. In less than 3 days, multiple people had symptoms of COVID.
We have COVID-19.
All my family have COVID-19.
From ages 8 to 57, 15 family members tested positive. Aragonez's mother had to go to the hospital. She was released Thursday.
My mother is finally back home. She doesn't need oxygen, thankfully, but she still has pneumonia, and she still has pain in her chest, still doesn't have a taste or a sense of smell.
Sunday, Tarrant County reported more than 1,500 new positive cases. 765 people are in the hospital. Critics of the virus continue to say a vast majority of people recover after being infected. While that is true, it doesn't lessen the severity of the virus for thousands of families who have experienced death in Texas.
We know that the survival rate is very high, but one life lost is one too many. And many of those survivors are having long-term complications that will affect them for the rest of their life.
With Thanksgiving days away, health officials want people to celebrate the holiday with only those who live in your home.
Maintain your social distance.
Use a mask that covers your nose and mouth.
Wash your hands often.
Please stay at home.
Please protect yourself. It's real.
Please, don't be like...
And for our region, the bed capacity is at nearly 14% of COVID patients. Blake.
Yeah, important message from that family.